Bye, Jace. So, anong name niyo, sir?
Ray Carriazo. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. Kinakilala.
All right, thank you. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Okay, uppity up muna.
Okay.
Anim ba kayo o 5? Joke.
Ay, gawin niyo
Six
ang sign.
Sense. Are you performing tonight? Yan. Congrats. Thank you po. Abangan, performance nila. Ayan, Eclipse. Hi, Eclipse. Kailan kayo? 7? 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan. Akan diba? Total Eclipse. Ayan, may hand sign pa sila. Eclipse. Yan. Boy group tonight. The 9th P-Pop Awards. I'm here with Eclipse. Yan. Kamusta naman yung performance yung mamaya? Excited na kayo?
Excited.
Congrats. Cloud 7. Eh, nandito ako. Cloud 8 na tayo.
7 pa rin po.
Cloud 7. Kapag nawala kayong dalawa, Cloud 7 pa rin kayo?
Opo.
Sige. Okay, congrats.
Thank you po.
S.I. Kirsten. Yeah. Galing mag-posing ah. I'm here with Pixie. Ayan. 4 lang kayo?
Yes.
Kaya ba kayo Pixie kasi ang cute nyo? Perform ba kayo tonight? Nominated? Soon. Yan. Congrats. Hello, sir. Yan. Kamusta naman? Anong expectations mo tonight? Anong expectations mo?
Exciting. Super exciting na show.
Aircon na tayo! Ayan, hello! Hi! Woo! Mike Hyatt! Woo! Aircon na! Aircon! Woo! Aircon na! Aircon! Aircon na tayo! Woo! Aircon na! Woo! Aircon na! Woo! Aircon na tayo! Woo! Woo! I'm here with Believe. Ayan. Galing Believe it. Joke lang. Nakaka-believe sila, mga Believe. Sino ang management nyo ulit?
EQ Prime.
Kaya pala. Oo. Kamusta na EQ Prime pala?
Sobrang good naman po. And looking forward for 2025.
Di ba meron kayong solo artist na female sa EQ Prime? Nandiyan ba siya? Nandiyan din. Okay, congrats. I'm with her again from last year.
Yes.
Aircon na tayo ngayon. Anong feeling?
Malamig po.
Pero hot ka pa rin do. So, kamusta naman yung mga new songs mo? Meron ba?
Yes, I just had a comeback song po.
Anong name?
Poggy po. And
Pogi?
may surprise ako for my birthday. So, watch
Pogi.
that out.
Pogi boy.
Tanda na, joke. Anong name mo ulit?
Zayla po.
Zayla. Paano kayo follow? Sa...
You can follow me on all my social media platforms. It's all _Zayla official.
Ayan. Congrats sa P-Pop Awards night. Okay, sa New Year, saan kayo? Ayala or FM? Kung pipilit, kung may libre kayong access, saan kayo? Sa Pini or sa SB19? First one. Kala ko nauna sila. First one in the house. Ayan, first one. Congrats, first one. Hi, I'm here with first one. Ayan. Ayan, Dion. D1. Tatlo lang sila ngayon. May dance na ba yan? Sama. Back to back na. Ganun.
Okay na po.
Apat na lang. Kalista. Kalista. Oh. Subscribe kayo sa ano nila ha. Kalista. Yan. Apat na lang sila. Yan. Okay, support Kalista guys. Ayan. Hi lang sa fans nyo. Mag-hello lang kayo. Nice one. The next big thing. Yan. O, diba? Congrats. Mag-perform ba kayo? Yes, po. Yeah, congrats. Ayan. Nice one. The next big thing. Yan. O, diba? Congrats. Mag-perform ba kayo? Yes, po. Yeah, congrats. Ayan. Daming P-pop group, so 1621 BC. 1621 BC?
1621 BC.
Okay, I'm here with 1621 BC. Ayan. Ilan kayo? Ilan kayo? Anim. Yan. Kaya pala 16. At yung mga supporters nyo, yan. Ganda ni BJI, grabe. Ang ganda naman. Beauty Queen.
Wow, beauty queen. Thank you po.
Ako fans mo ha.
Ay, salamat.
Sila rin. BJI Fans Club. Yan o.
Upload na kayo.
Kaya? Yan na, kaya na. May Bini ba? Yata darating. The next Bini is Kaya. Kayang-kaya nila yan.
Go kaya.
Hindi po manager? Si Al James ba yan? Baka James Ingram. Sino yan? Al James?
Joshua and Angie.
Or James Ingram? Wow, galing ng shades niya. Sino? Al James? Rapper? Al James. Sino yung kasama niya? Ha? Josh Collin? Ayun na pala eh. Al James and Josh Collin?
Karen.
Solo artist. Di ba si Josh is SB19?
SB19, yes.
Tik lang. Congrats! Can you say hello dito sa mga fans mo? Josh, okay lang ba? Mga fans mo. Nandito ako sa one of the strongest fandoms ever, 18. Ako din atin din ako eh. Sariling atin. Let us support ang sariling atin. OPM and P-pop. And the king of P-pop, SB19. Did you watch the Gary V concert? Hindi.
Yes!
Pumunta pa ng Hong Kong para kay Josh. Ayan.
One, two, three, sound! Stupid, shake it down. Fucking from it, shake it down. Look, stupid, shake it down. Pump it, hands on. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Look, stupid, shake it down. Fucking from it, shake it down. Look, stupid, shake it down. Pump it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Post up, stay one. Make it get some more stuff.
Good evening, everyone. Here inside the New Frontier Theater in Araneta City Music Awards. My name is Ai de la Cruz, and tonight we are here to honor the excellence, creativity, and cultural influence of Filipino pop artists as we also shine a spotlight onto the next generation of P-pop talents all in one stage. And as we celebrate the best of Filipino pop music this evening, we recognize the trailblazers, the chart toppers.
And the Solo Artist of the Year award goes to Josh Collin!
Cullen. And also for all of their fans, we have their performances to look forward to later on this evening. Thank you as well to our presenters, MNL48.
We have two winners. New In and Asper.
Congrats, Beanie. Favorite streamed artist.
Next award is the P-pop Potential Award.
Award goes to Salamin Salamin by Billy.
Hi guys, good evening. We're Yumi Asmadilla, so I'm Xavier, I'm the production head. We have Director Curbs here. We'd like to thank P-pop Music Awards for this recognition. Ever since we started doing music video, we know that, kaya ng Pilipino, kaya natin gumawa ng magandang music video na kaya tumapat sa global scene. So, we're very happy for this recognition. And we want to share this to all the creative agencies like us. I'd like to say, guys, we did a very very good job this 2024, and let's continue doing it this 2025. And yeah, Direk, you want to say something?
Again, maraming salamat sa Bini, sa Star Music, Naomi, AMI, kay Direk Lauren. Thanks sa award na tanggap natin.